Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy Delz. We got a whole bunch of Funko Pops from Amazon and my dude, the Funko Bad Guy. A lot of heat in these boxes, so let's get right into it. DJ Delz. So the first box I got from my dude Franchise Kicks, aka the Funko Bad Guy, a notorious Funko Pop reseller who I've been friends with for years before he started reselling Funko Pops, which kind of helped me because of the fact that I'm his friend and he's not going to try to make money off of his friend. So if he gets Funko Pops I need, he looks out for me. And you know, I never expect him to, and I'm very grateful when he does, because he doesn't charge me any resale price, any of that crazy stuff. Definitely is a great guy. I don't care what people say. He's a fantastic person. That's why I can consider him a friend of mine. And look how he packed this. I mean, just superb, right? It's like ridiculous how great he packed this. So thank you again, my friend, for real. And let's get into this first, because this one I'm excited about all of them, to be honest with you. I wasn't able to go out that day really because I had other stuff that I had to do. I had a lot of work to do, and I was pretty bummed out, you know. And I gotta say, my dude came through, man, and really cheered me up, because I'm used to going hunting all the time for these things. And man, when he told me that he got this for me, and the thing that's even more ridiculous is he got it for me for under retail. If that ain't a good friend, then I don't know what the hell it is, man. Unbelievable. He got it for me for under retail. Like, just so ridiculous. So look what we got here, man. We got the creators from Game of Thrones. How sick is that? I'll show you some of my Game of Thrones Funko Pops. It's not even close to all of them, but it's just some of them on my wall. So there's the Battle of the Bastards, one of my favorite scenes ever. I mean, it was such an awesome scene, and I love how you see the arrows going on that shield right there. Really delivers that actual scene. It was fantastic. I do have Jamie right there. And I got this little girl that is just such a boss, man. I love her in the show, man. She just is like, she's a little kid, but she plays like an adult, and she does such a fantastic job. These are just some of my Funko Pops from Game of Thrones that I have that's on the wall. Like, you know, I got this huge wall. Let me know what you guys thought of The Walking Dead, the first episode of the new season. Let me know if you liked it or not, too. I'd love to know that, too. I'm all over the place with this video. And I got to do a collection video. Definitely let me know if you want that collection video. But yeah, man, we got the creators of Game of Thrones. I cannot wait for this season to come back. This will be the last season, so it's a little crazy that it's the last season. Oh, you know what? I also got this right here. I didn't show you. The giant white right there. I mean, such a sick pop. I got to do an out-of-the-box review on this one, too. I don't think I did, so, you know, leave them comments. Let me know what you want, and I will do my best to deliver. So, this is a major pickup. I mean, so sick. And I got also, oh my god. And I have another box that got something, I'm pretty sure, that I'm really excited about. And a lot of you guys are going to, as they say in wrestling terms, pop when you see this. You know, like, you're going to spaz out when you see what's in the other box. If you're like a diehard fan of Funko Pop and all of the New York Comic Con releases. So, we got Burak right here, and I will do an out-of-the-box review. He has his flame sword, and this character is really an awesome character on the show. I definitely dig him, and I cannot wait to take him out of the box and show you guys that review. I will actually try to hit you with that review out of the box, or at least a quick look out of the box on my other channel, which is something I don't really promote, but it's called Delz Toy Show. And I literally just put out like 1-minute videos showing 360s of the Funko Pops when I just have so much content that I need to put out there, but I'm excited and I want to show you what they look like out of the box. So I'll do like these quick little videos for the diehards. So check that out, Delz Toy Show, if you want to see an out of the box look. If not, this will probably be the one I'll review tomorrow, because as excited I am for this one, as soon as I heard about it, I was like, oh my god, I gotta get this one. So super hype. And the last one, this is from the whole Target Con. You know, that's what we're naming it, Target Con, a lot of us, because they released like 1 billion Funko Pops. I did do a vlog and it was ridiculous. Like, you go to the electronics desk and it was such a mess. It was just like Funko Pops everywhere and boxes everywhere. And my store didn't even get what I really wanted. And one of them was the Coming to America Akeem Funko Pop, which I ended up getting the next day. I had to drive a little bit out of the way and get it. And then the other one that I really wanted was the Audrey 2. And that wasn't at that store. I ended up getting it the next day. As I said, I had to drive out a little bit, hunt it down, but I did get it. And I did out-of-the-box reviews on those. But this one right here, the Venomized Loki, they had at my store. But as I said, I wasn't able to go out that day. I was stuck working. So I was able to get it through my dude Clint, man. And once again, I'm just very thankful that my dude looked out, man. You know, a lot of people would be like, I'm gonna cash in, make a quick couple of dollars. So I'm really thankful. Like, there's a quick look at his business card he threw in the box too. You can freeze frame it, check his stuff out, definitely. Other Venom Pops that I have, I do have the Venomized actual Venom with Eddie Brock, which I love. I do have the Venom, the actual Marvel Collector's Corpse exclusive, which I did do an out-of-the-box review, and I'll try to put pop-ups on the screen, but this one right here, I highly recommend you trying to get, because it looks amazing out of the box. It's like he's leaping forward at you. It is such a sick Funko Pop. Even though the movie's kind of subpar, this is such a sick Funko Pop, so definitely try to get your hands on it. And by the way, I will link in the description box below tons of Funko I think you're going to want to get, like the Biggie Smalls Funko Pops to all the holiday Funko from Marvel and Star Wars. Don't sleep on that Biggie Smalls Funko Pop, because I'm telling you now, you are going to be really pissed off later on when that thing is worth like $100, if not more, and you're not able to get it. And we got this box from Amazon. I think a lot of you guys kind of can guess. A lot of you females too. There's tons of Funko Pop collectors that are females too. You know, shout out to everyone that collects Funko. Oh my god, it isn't! Oh man, I'm so excited. Look at what we got here. Man. And the box looks good. You know, Amazon is just a little shady when it comes to the boxes. Man, we got her. Let's take her out of the box. You know, I'm going to do a detailed review, but let's make this exciting. This pop is so awesome because of the fact that her wig comes off. How sick is that? I mean, come on. Is that not awesome? I'm going to do a full detailed review on her. Don't jump off. There we go. I will do a full detailed review on her. But man, I'm just super happy to get her. And this is her wig right here. We got her wig in hand. Huge fan of the Black Panther movie. And just so happy to have this in the collection. I would say I showed you guys tons of Funko Pop heat today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here. Leave in the comment box what you're looking for to pick up as far as Funko Pops. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe someone else can help you out. I'm looking for right now is the Jeffrey the Giraffe as Iron Man Marvel Funko Pop. I really want that Funko Pop, so if you can help me out, let me know. I'm also looking for the Invisible Man chase. I'm looking for the Audrey 2 chase. I did get my Stinkor, and I did an awesome video. It's already edited. I just haven't uploaded it yet, but we do the sniff test with Stinkor, me and my 2 daughters. It is a fun video. So make sure you turn the notifications on because you'll love the video. You'll see the interaction with me and my 6 and my 8-year-old smelling this stinky Stinkor Funko Pop. So definitely check that out. But yeah, those are some of the Funko that I'm looking for. If you can help me out, hit me up on my Instagram Real DJ Delz on Instagram, or Delz Toy Show. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video if you have not already. Subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment. Leave anything. If you got nothing to say, write I love pizza, I love Funko, write something. It helps my channel. YouTube calculates all them comments and the thumbs ups and the shares and all that good stuff, and will recommend my video to more people. Let's get this channel popping. Let's show the world that the Funko community is heavy out there on YouTube. Show that love. Thanks for tuning in, and tomorrow I'll have a review definitely on some new Funko Pop heat. We out.